Paalis kami mga palangga. We're gonna meet someone. Supposedly hindi sasama si Jan kasi meron akong LBC box na kailangang kunin ito sa bahay. Ang aga-aga ni Kuya kanina. So ayun. Hello, nice to meet you ha. Salamat. Salamat talaga. Salamat. Yung mga anak mo, tingnan mo. Ang lalaki mo.
Okay lang sila sanay din sa pa-expose.
First time nyo to date, no? Sabi mo?
Oo, first time namin din sa area na. Si
Ah.
Mr. daw nakapag-date.
So tapos na kami magkita nila Sis Zil. So,
Very good.
is that good? Okay.
Yeah.
How about this one? So hindi ako nag-film masyado talaga sa pagkikita namin kasi of course chika-chika, tapos sa ano din sa loob ng garden center merong pa-music, baka ma-copyright tayo. No, it's fine. I'm not having the honey. I like the look of this. Kuha tayo ng honeydew. Hello! Hello! Ay, may pa-music talaga sila mga loves ba? Maano tayo dito? Ma-copyright. Look at this. Ang lalaki nito mga loves. O, pang Noche Buena ba? How much? 20. 20 pounds. Wow. Pasko na talaga ba? Pero ako wala pang dekorasyon sa aking bahay. What are they?
Brass.
Brass. No.
Flood says.
Slow down. Ah, no. How can you? There's a big flood. What? No, that little car cannot go. There. That little car cannot go. He's reversing. Oh. Now he realized. Honey, are you sure we can go?
Darling,
Yes.
this is a Range Rover.
But I don't want you to be
Take your
stuck.
stuff.
Be stuck in the middle.
Okay.
You sure? Oh my god. Honey! Just don't! Jesus.
Oh, see, weight sensors come on now. What?
Hmm? Just be careful, Jesus, hon.
Oh yeah. Not even deep.
We'll manage!
No problem, man. Just looking no brakes now. Oh my god.
Stop that!
The brakes are wet, they're not working.
Kanina pala si Mr. binalik na niya yung carpet dito. Yan. Kasi diba tinanggal tong carpet na to dahil nagtatrabaho sa dito. So binalik na niya, and it happened mga loves na meron tayong leftover na carpet sa loft. He was trying to put that in there but I think it's not enough, sabi niya. So we'll see. Kasi we're not sure kasi na makakahanap pa kami ng ganitong kulay. I'm pretty sure common naman siguro tong kulay na to. Pero we'll see. So, tinitrim ni Mr. ngayon yung Christmas tree natin kasi alam niya naman pag real tree yung gamit is hindi talaga siya perfect, shape. Honey, it's leaning. Ah! Oh, Han.
Bent my thing now, isn't it?
Is it bent?
Yeah.
How can it be bent?
It is.
Ah. Is it bent? Right, come on, mind your... Ready? Aray.
Actually, what was that?
Can you cut this?
Top off. Do that.
Can you cut this a little as well? Like, just...
Well, I would leave that.
Yeah.
It's more natural.
No, just cut it.
Sure.
Okay then. Alright.
Oh, I wouldn't.
Dahil nagka-problema tayo sa ating Christmas tree at this moment, gagawa ako ng tiramisu. Nag-crave talaga ako ng tiramisu, pero hindi ako pwedeng makakain ito mga loves kasi of course, kape, soft cheese, tapos ang tiramisu talaga is nilalagyan mo siya ng alak, yung amaretto ba yun na alak, pero this time wala akong amaretto. Hindi ko siya lalagyan ng alak, pero hindi pa rin ako makakain ito kasi hindi decaf yung kape na ginamit ko dito, and itong cream cheese bawal. But di bali, gagawa pa din ako. Si Mr. yung papakainin ko sa cravings ko. So anyway, yung half ng double cream dito is magsasalad ako. Fruit salad sa atin. So nagpatunaw na ako ng jelly, tapos may nata de coco din ako. First time ko actually gumawa ng mga loves ng what do you call this, tiramisu. Let's see kung ano yung outcome. So natunaw na yung kape. Maglagay na ako ng 1 tablespoon dito ng kape sa cream para magkalasa talaga, and then i-whip ko. Hindi ko napansin na nag-stop yung filming ng phone ko. So anyway, na-whip ko na yung double cream natin. I'm not sure kung how much far you did see sa nung before pa nag-stop yung filming, but naglagay ako ng dito, ng kape dito sa cream natin. And then ngayon, maglalagay na ako ng cream cheese. Lalagay ko dito sa ating mixture. Yung lady fingers natin, isusok ko siya sa ating kape. Oh! Ang bango-bango talaga ng amoy ng kape ka. Dalawa lang pala yung magagawa natin dito mga loves. Pero I think sakto na rin to para kay Mr. Then ngayon, mag-i-sprinkle ako sa kanya ng cocoa powder. Mas masarap sana talaga pag yung cocoa powder na gagamitin mo is yung pang-cooking talaga. Kasi mas matapang yun. Ito kasi is, pang-drinking. Di bali. So, ngayon, ilalagay ko siya sa fridge para mag-chill to. And then, kakainin natin yan mamaya. Ina-try na ni Mr. yung pudding na ginawa ko, yung tiramisu. So, sabi ko sa kanya, at least you will not get done for drink driving kasi wala akong nilagay na alcohol.
I don't drink and drive anyway. Very bad.
No, that's very bad mga loves. You need to be responsible when you're driving because you could, you know.
Just imagine me losing my life.
Yeah.
It would just stop me doing everything I do.
Yeah, because I won't drive you anywhere.
You'll have no choice.
No, I'm not gonna trail you around. Hindi, natin to sa kanya. Ito. It smells good to be fair, sweet. Honey, it will be the finest.
I could just eat that.
Yeah, just eat it. That's all for you though.
Yeah, but I don't want to eat all this in one go.
No, don't eat that in one go. It will make you feel sick.
It's not soggy.
It's not.
You haven't made them. They should have been soaked in the alcohol to make them soggy, you know.
Honey, I soaked it.
What in?
In coffee only. I said I did not put alcohol in it.
This is a teetotal one.
This is for...
This is the driver's one. Yeah, really?
Right, try it. You got something now on your face. Is it alright?
Free coffee, is it?
Well, that's the point.
Or is it?
That's a coffee.
Right.
So, okay naman daw mga loves. Success.